What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. You know, I told myself I wasn't going to start a new vlog until I edited the ones that are on my iMovie, but alas, here we are again. This is going to be just a general cleanup or tidying up, but for all intents and purposes I've called it a closet purge because I have seen that those tend to do quite well here on YouTube. And yeah, this is not clickbait. I'm still going to be purging my closet, but it's not going to be purging my closet of clothes because pretty much everything I have in my closet, I use it. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you really quickly what I mean. So this is what my closet looks like. I'm going to be needing these soon as the colder weather approaches. As I film, it's August 29th. Happy birthday, Michael Jackson. If he was alive, he would have been 64, 65. But yeah, just had to throw that in there. But yeah, I'm going to be using these soon. I pretty much use these shirts and I'm getting ready to fold my clothes right there in that trash bag. Clean trash bag, I promise. I've explained this before. I always like to put my clothes in a clean trash bag because I don't want to put it in the same hamper it came out of because the clothes were dirty. I don't know, it's just I don't want to say OCD because I have not been diagnosed, but it's just a thing I've been doing. So I pretty much use all of these, but what I really want to focus on is up here. I just have a bunch of junk accumulating and I just want to clear that off and maybe like fold some clothes and put up there. And down here as well, I just wanted to be shoes down there. And that plastic bag is my Air Force Ones. Look, I've never worn them before. Brand new Air Force Ones. Never worn them before. And I want to keep them clean. I don't know if this is just classic African behavior. Like, you buy stuff to wear and then never wear it. And then keep it in the plastic or the shoebox. Anyways, so I just want down here to just be my shoes. God, I really miss my walk-in closet from Florida. When I lived in Florida, I had a walk-in closet. I will try to see if I can insert some footage of that. But like, yeah, my closet is like literally this tiny. That's what happens when you live like close to the city. We're not in Philly proper, but we're like in the suburbs technically, but we're close enough to the city, so space is tight. I'm probably not going to show any footage as I'm actually decluttering because who got time for that? That's exhausting. I'm just showing you the before and I'll show you the after. Like, yeah, so here we go. Alright, so only what, 30 minutes in-ish, and already I'm tired. This is what happens when I drink wine. A lot of wine. Like, I get so tired, coupled with the fact that like I had ran out of my iron supplements about a few weeks ago. I have low iron, so whenever I went to the doctor, they advised me to either get iron injected directly into my blood, take iron supplements. And I definitely feel a difference when I take iron supplements on a daily basis. My energy's through the roof, like the fogginess and cloudiness is gone, but I had run out 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I'm feeling it now. Today was my first day back taking the supplements because I just purchased them yesterday from Whole Foods. Some things are expensive. There were two categories. One was, the smaller one was $17, which is what I got. The other one that I really wanted, the big one, was $42. But child, no. Even with discounts, no. So I'm getting ready to fold the second half of my clothes because I did 2 batches of laundry. It wasn't a whole lot, but I don't like to stuff the washer because I don't want it to break. So I'm doing the second. I just picked up the second batch from the dryer. I'm gonna fold those and then figure out what to do with the bag full of with the duffel bag full of stuff, which I've had since I moved back in here like 2 years ago. Yeah, I need to remove those things from the duffel bag and figure out what to do with it. So that's what we're fixing to do right now. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is what has been happening to my jeans ever since I started working at that job. I've mentioned before in one of my vlogs about, I forget, I'll insert it here in the top right corner. I forget what the title of that vlog was. But I mentioned that we don't have uniforms at my job, so I have to wear jeans to work because it's a grocery store and I'm constantly squatting, and this is what happens to my jeans. I think I've gone through 3 or 4 different jeans that have ended up this way. One of them, my mom like kept like patching it and repatching it for me until I finally just gave up. I said, I need to get new jeans. And these things are not cheap. Anyways, enough ranting about this. But yeah, this is, I feel like I need to go shopping all over again. And I hate shopping, guys. When I was a teenager and in my early 20s, I loved to go shopping. So I like to spend my money. But now it's like I cannot stand shopping, looking for clothes. But I have to do it because I need new pairs of jeans. These ones are ripping. And then I need a new dress for a wedding I have coming up in like about a month and a half. And I just need some new like business casual attire because, you know, dress for the job you want and whatever. And also I want a few dresses in my closet, like summer, like, you know, floral summer dresses. So although I don't like to do that stuff, it has to happen. And I need new socks. There's like a lot of holes in my socks. I'm not gonna pull out the socks and be showing you guys right now, but not exactly mid-year reset, but like towards the end of the year reset, if you will, because we technically have like 4 months left of the year and it's a new year, which is wild to me. That's all I wanted to share. So I was just taking a break and watching, you know, inspirational motivation content, namely like mid-year resets and things like that. I enjoy watching those, but lately when I watch them, I don't want to say they drain me, but I feel very overstimulated in a way. And I say this as I'm filming the same kind of content, because this would technically be in that category. Today has been a struggle for me. I've been just really tired. Did I mention that? I drank a lot of wine yesterday. That could be it too. But yeah, I managed to fold all my clothes, which that in and of itself, God, I can't even talk, is an accomplishment. Now, and the real work begins. And then I got a shower. And yeah, I'll have to probably continue this tomorrow. But I'm really not trying to take this into tomorrow because tomorrow is a gym day. And probably have to run a few errands, and then Thursday I go back to work like super early in the morning. So this day was supposed to be a rest day, but I also knew I was not trying to do laundry tomorrow. So anybody else hates folding clothes? Like, I like it, but I hate it. It's a love-hate relationship because I do not like stuff just sitting unfolded. Because if I do laundry, I don't fold it the same day. Well, you best believe it's just going to be there until the next time I do laundry. And that's what happened the last week. I didn't fold the clothes and they just sat in that bag until today. So, yeah, struggle bus today. Let me shower. Maybe I'll feel a lot better once I shower because water is life. So yeah, I'll see you back after my shower. Okay, so it is way later and I am finally done with my closet. Let me show you guys what I did. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Okay, so remember all this crap that I had up there? Well, I removed everything and put folded clothes and put them nicely there. It looks better in person. It kind of looks weird on camera. And then I have my shirts according to color coordinated, from the blacks on the side to like the dark blues and the grays to like whatever else color. And then like my pants are on this side, my sweatpants. And then my sweatshirts are all here. So all the ones with the hoodies are like right next to each other. And then this is also a sweatshirt, but without a hoodie next to the rest of the black ones. Yeah, you get the point. So, and then for the bottoms, I removed all the crap that was here at the bottom. Organize this a little bit more here. And put my perfumes right there. And got my shoes there. I still have my Air Force Ones in the plastic because it's gonna get dusty and I don't want it to be. Yeah, looks so much better. I'm happy with it. Tomorrow I will probably work on all like the junk that I have in the basement. So a lot of the things that I took from my closet, I took it downstairs to the basement, and I'll sort through them and like start throwing stuff away. I probably won't record that in the basement because it's the basement and my mom will get furious that I'm showing the whole internet our basement. But I mean, yeah, no basement is pretty. I can count on one hand how many people's basements I've gone to that are done and nice and like comfy. And yeah, our basement is not one of them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you inspiration to like declutter and clean out your space for the coming fall and then eventually the new year and all that good stuff. And yeah, click like, click share, and if you are looking for more content, I am over on Patreon. It is $10 a month. I will drop the link below. I'll have longer videos. I'll have all my videos including this video air over there first. So if you're watching this on YouTube, this video had aired on Patreon prior, and some videos will stay exclusive to Patreon. So if you're vibing with what I have going on here, I think you will super vibe with what I have going on Patreon. And yeah, I will see you next week.